Why we do what we do. It all started in 1999 with Shannon's simple concept of selling the right Mustang parts at the right time, all while offering an exceptional service experience. Throughout the years, this recipe has allowed us to build a great customer base and a unique part selection because of our commitment in finding solution-based restoration and performance parts. The Mustang and Lightning lifestyle, to us, is one of the most special things on this planet. From the earliest of mornings to the latest of nights in the garage, the fast-paced click of a ratchet wrench, or hearing the radical chop of a Lopi camshaft in a small block Ford. There are many qualities to what we enjoy, many of which bury themselves within our minds and ever so often remind us of why we chose and ultimately love this lifestyle. We've all had our ups, and we've all unfortunately have had our downs, but more importantly, the unforgettable memories that we've made and the impenetrable friendships that have been formed are the real reason why we all do it. So go after your dreams, even as crazy as they may seem. We'll be here to help you with your build all along the way. To all of our customers, we sincerely and genuinely thank you for your business. Our purpose has always been based on the belief that people do business with people. As die-hard grassroots enthusiasts ourselves, we live and breathe the same passion for these vehicles, the products that we offer, and the dedication we provide in supporting this lifestyle to all of you. So, what do you say? Let's let the good times roll.